Hello, Nguyen computer is back. If you are using Windows 11 and frequently see notifications, advertising suggestions, Microsoft application or content recommendation, then this video will help you turn off almost all of those ads. Once done, Windows will be cleaner, less annoying, and provide a better user experience. Let's get started. The first, we're going to turn off the apps and the content Microsoft suggested in the settings menu. These items are actually just suggestions or promote the app. Most users don't need it. Next is the announcement of feature introduction or promote Microsoft services. These messages often appear in the right corner of the screen and quite disturbing if you just want to use a normal computer. If the lock screen is using Windows Spotlight, Microsoft can display images with introductory or promotional content. Photos accompanied by introductory or promotional content, or promote. We just need to change it to the usual background image. File Explorer. Sometimes also display a service recommendation message such as OneDrive or Microsoft 365. We can turn it off completely. Windows will collect some information to display ads suitable for each user. If there is no need, you should turn off to increase privacy. If you are not using widgets, turn it off to make the taskbar cleaner and reduce the content. Promotion news. If Microsoft Edge shows too much promotional content, you can turn off the news or change the page. Boot to a cleaner browser. With just a few simple settings, we've removed most of the advertising and content. Hints in Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe and share channels to support Nguyen computer faculty. Thank you for following. See you in the next video.